Hello, my name is Roz, and I have been coming to Chai Hair in China for more years than I care to date either one of us. And China has always been the stylist for me because she and my hair know each other and they like each other. So right now, I'm in trouble for what I've done with my hair, and I've been put on a schedule to come in every week so that she can rebuild my hair. China has worked with me through many sets of weaves. She's always worked with my natural hair, and she's always been able to bring my hair back when I've been bad and when I've let it go. So now I'm coming back to the doctor to make sure that she gets my hair back in shape. And so I will do it after video so you can see how she's actually improved the health of my hair. And she's always been able to make my hair look beautiful no matter what I've been doing to it. So she's done my hair with weave. I've had multiple sets of units that she's catered to me and shaped the way I like them. And I wear them all the time. And I just wanted to let you know that her salon is beautiful and she's always updating it. It is bright, it's happy, it's professional. She and her staff have always been at the height of profession, the height of cleanliness, and always make sure that their clients are taken care of. You know, we have appointments, we are disciplined. She has us in and out when she says she will, and I've always enjoyed coming to her salon. All of my